Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand how a condenser works in an HVAC system, step by step. The condenser is one of the most important parts of an air conditioner and refrigeration system because it removes heat from the refrigerant. What is a condenser? A condenser is a heat exchanger. Its main job is to release heat from the refrigerant gas and convert it into liquid refrigerant. It is usually located in the outdoor unit of an air conditioner. Step 1. Hot gas enters the condenser. After compression, the compressor sends high pressure, high temperature refrigerant vapor into the condenser coil. At this stage, refrigerant is very hot, pressure is high, state is gas. Step 2. Heat transfer begins. The condenser coil is surrounded by outside air. A fan blows air across the condenser coils. Because the refrigerant temperature is higher than outdoor air, heat starts transferring from refrigerant to surrounding air. This process follows the principle of heat transfer. Heat always moves from hot to cold. Step 3. Refrigerant starts cooling. As heat leaves the refrigerant, temperature decreases, gas begins losing energy. The refrigerant now changes from superheated vapor to saturated vapor. Step 4. Condensation process. When enough heat is removed, the refrigerant changes phase. It converts from gas into liquid. This phase change is called condensation, which gives the condenser its name. During this stage, pressure remains high, temperature stays nearly constant, large heat rejection occurs. Step 5. Liquid refrigerant leaves the condenser. Finally, the refrigerant becomes a high-pressure liquid. This liquid refrigerant then moves toward the expansion device for the next stage of the refrigeration cycle. Why condenser is important? Without a condenser, heat cannot be removed, refrigerant cannot become liquid, cooling process will stop, so the condenser is essential for proper cooling performance. Conclusion: in simple words, compressor increases pressure, condenser removes heat, gas changes into liquid, and this process allows the HVAC system to produce cooling efficiently.